Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by opening FaceTime and choosing who to call. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in and cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Tap the video button next to a contact, or open the FaceTime app and press the plus icon to enter a name, number, or email. If you have multiple addresses, pick one. This decides where people can reach you. Once done, FaceTime will ring the recipient and show a preview of your front camera so you can adjust framing before they answer. Once connected, use the on-screen controls. Tap the mic to mute, tap the camera icon to flip between front and rear, and tap the speaker to switch audio. To add people, tap Add Person and invite contacts. FaceTime handles group layout automatically. You can share your screen by tapping the Share Content button, which helps when showing photos or apps. Make sure to adjust portrait orientation and enable landscape for a wider view. This helps others see details when you flip to the rear camera. To finish, tap the red Hang Up button. If you captured a FaceTime live photo, it saves to Photos. Check permissions first. If video or audio lags, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or strong cellular signal, then force close FaceTime and reopen, or restart the iPhone. If calls don't ring or show as unavailable, confirm the recipient's contact details and that neither of you has FaceTime disabled or blocked. This single check solves most reachability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.